this is red. This is Dad's firewood hauler. Don't let the green hood fool you. The rest of it's faded out primer and rust holes. It's Dad's 72 Chevy half-ton that we haul scrap to the scrap yard and whatever in, farm runs and stuff. And yesterday, Dad went to move it and forgot that he ran out of gas. So its last attempt was sucking the varnish out of the bottom of the tank, and that didn't go over so well. Did a nice job on those old tires, Dad. They look like brand new. I'm definitely gonna have to find a new gasket. think the big camera checked out, but here's our Ashland Napa cap and rotor on there, and our old coil, which we should be still good. And now I get back to getting the carburetor back together. I think there's a little dirt in it, but nothing excessive.
How bad was that thing?
The carburetor inside, it's not really horrible. There was some junk in the bottom for sure. I mean, you can see the stuff that's collected in there.
we got gaskets and stuff around here.
I keep taking things on eBay when nobody's looking. Cheaper that way. Gasket kit here, carb rebuild kit there.
What are you going to tell them? This is our old 72 farm truck?
This is Dad's farm truck.
Yeah,
This is Dad's terrifying farm truck.
it's a our national
Forest Service thing.
power steering, power brake.
Positive traction.
Yeah. Cam,
Yep.
shift kit.
Yeah. Tire smoking farm truck.
Yeah.
I think it's 30 years we've had this thing this year.
Maybe 20,
Wasn't it 93 or was it 94?
29.
That was 94 we got this?
Yeah. Yeah, right before April of 94.
Wow. I got about 26 seconds of recording I can do. We're alive. It is hot in here. Woo! We're moving. Now your standard Carter Edelbrock 4-barrel is the closest thing a carburetor can come to an AK-47. It's just about indestructible. And I'm exaggerating, but it's got about 16 parts in it. And even a nitwit like me can take it apart and generally make it work. It's the easiest thing to rebuild there is. It's not a race car carburetor, the old 1400. It does what it does. It'll get you to town. So today, Dad and I did a tune-up on the old girl. New plugs, cap rotor, and I took the carburetor apart and got all the varnishing crap out of it. And we got her back going again. No! Sticky Chevy wheel. Let's see if she'll start for us. That's the Carter magic right there. Next stop's going to be the gas station to get some more petrol because I don't trust that gauge.